Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your home screen on iPhone 2023. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, open up App Store and then wait for a while. So tap on the search and then search for top widgets. So download this type of app. I already downloaded it. So open. So as you can see guys, this is our widgets. So I'm tap on this one. So as you can see guys, so tap on this save. This is to give it money and then use this widget. So you want to use for free, so go back to the home screen and then tap on this icon. As you can see guys, this is the widgets and icons. So you want to select one of them. I'm selecting this one. So as you can see guys, it's install icon. So tap on this and then tap on select. I'm selecting Snapchat, Messenger, Facebook, WhatsApp, and then YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, and CapCut and Telegram. So tap on this install 10. So as you can see guys, is wait for a while as open Safari. So tap on this download description file. Tap on allow, close it, and then go back to the home screen. Open up settings app and then tap on download profile. So tap on install, give it your passcode, again tap on install, again tap on install to confirm the process, and then tap on done, and then go back to the home screen. So as you can see guys, Facebook, I'm selecting the apps. So you want to open that. I'm opening TikTok. So as you can see guys, is TikTok opened. I'm opening Facebook and then our Facebook. So your home screen will be customized. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. You have any problem, let me in the comment. I'll help you more. Thanks for watching.